Automating your sales process is like giving your sales team a superpower. It helps them to move faster and close more deals. It helps them to spend time building real relationships instead of chasing spreadsheets or forgetting their follow ups. Now, I'm going to go through some of the benefits of automating your sales process. That's going to include it speeding up your sales cycle, saving time on repetitive tasks, getting real time visibility, improving your follow up consistency. Of course, you can qualify leads more efficiently and more. Let's use this time to go through all of the ways that you can automate your sales process. One of the most obvious ways to automate your sales process is for lead capture and assignment. That means automatically capturing leads from your web forms, from emails or social media, and then pushing them into your Zoho CRM. You can use, of course, the lead assignment rules in order to auto assign leads to the right sales reps, and that can be based on criteria like territory, product interest, lead source, all of those type of things. That is one of the obvious ways that you can automate your sales process. The second way to automate your sales process is for task and reminder automation. All right. You can create tasks automatically for your reps, like to call your leads back, to send proposals. Whenever a lead hits a certain stage, you can have a task reminder go out. And you can set up reminders for follow ups based on inactivity or time that's elapsed. The third way is with pipeline and deal stage automation. This is where you automatically move deals to the next stage based on certain actions, and that can be meeting was scheduled or a quote or an estimate was sent. You can trigger alerts or actions even when a deal is stuck too long in one stage. Then there's also quote and proposal automation. This is where you generate quotes or proposals just with a click using dynamic fields from the CRM. You can auto send them by email to review and or sign using tools like Zoho Sign. And we're going to go into more detail on the tools that you can use for all of these automations, but yes, you can automatically send out contracts, quotes, proposals for signature. Then you have approval workflows where you can route deals for manager approval automatically when the deal value crosses a certain threshold. So if it's of a certain amount and you want it to receive an approval, you can set that up or you can automate that. You can automate discount approvals and documentation requests, amongst other things. Now, this one's one of my favorites because it can help you to get visibility as to what's going on in your business so that you can make changes in order to improve. And that is reporting and dashboards. You can automatically generate daily, weekly, annual sales reports. You can send them to your leads or your execs. You can use real time dashboards to track your lead conversion, your deal velocity, and performance. Now, those are just some of the ways that you can automate your sales process. The sky is the limit. Look at what you have available to you in Zoho, take your ideas or pain points, put them together, and come up with a solution to automate those particular parts of your process. Now, I want to also leave you with the tools that you can use that are within the Zoho One operating system that you can use to automate your sales process. Okay. So the first one is your best friend, Zoho CRM workflows. Utilize those. Those will make life so much easier. If you set up workflows to automatically move your leads to the next stage or your deals to the next stage based on certain criteria, based on certain behaviors, this helps to keep your sales team from making errors, missing opportunities. Workflows can do a lot of different things, so make sure that you explore your Zoho CRM workflows. Then there's also Zoho Flow. This is if not only can you use Zoho Flow for Zoho applications, you can also use it for third party apps. So, other applications to pull everything together and make a process work. Also, the blueprint functionality that is within Zoho CRM. And this just isn't for Zoho CRM. Blueprints are in other Zoho applications too. So just know if you have a blueprint available, you can minimize error and make sure that the team follows a certain process. So that blueprint will take them from step A to step B and so on. You also have Zoho Campaigns. That can be Zoho Campaigns or Zoho Marketing Automation. Those are two different tools that you can use, but they both can allow you to set up email follow ups or an email sequence. Then the Zoho Forms. That one's really important for capturing leads. Take your Zoho Forms and embed them on your website in various places. Use them in your social media. Use them in your Zobots or your chatbots. There are so many things that you can do in order to capture leads, and Zoho Forms is the number one way that you want to make sure you are pushing data into your Zoho CRM. It has been a pleasure as always. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Don't forget, there will be more videos on other processes that you can automate and then the Zoho tools that you can use in order to achieve that. All right, guys, until next time.